Notcutts is a garden center. The company was founded in 1913, so they have been around for over a century. The company was founded by Roger Crompton Notcutt, born in 1896, who had to pursue an outdoor life due to his ill health. He opened the first Notcutts shop in Woodbridge. Now, they are one of the largest garden centers in the UK, and the chain consists of 18 stores. In their shop, you can find gardening products such as weed control, rhododendrons, druit, lawnmowers, composting, insect control, sprays, pest control, lawn care, chainsaws, garden shredders, watering, turf, shrubs, spreaders, grass trimmers, climbers, perennials, clematis, trees, pressure washers, propagate, raised beds, gloves, stones, kneelers, hanging baskets, azaleas, topsoil, mulches, composting, fertilizers, natural garden care, log splitters, leaf blowers, hedge trimmers, garden tools and more. They also offer some garden structures such as summer houses, playhouses, log cabins, fencing, arches, sheds, trellis, greenhouses, arbors, garden storage, pergolas, gazebos, etc. The garden furniture category contains swing seats, tables, parasols, loungers, benches, bistro sets, outdoor beanbags, cushions, covers, chairs, etc. For outdoor living, they offer lanterns, candles, chimeneas, play equipment, electricals, patio heaters, solar light and pizza ovens. In the BBQs category, you can find gas BBQs, barbecue covers, charcoal barbecues and more. They even offer some home products such as interior furniture, doorstops, shopping bags, bean bags, decorative accessories, kitchen textiles, picture frames, doormats, throws, rugs, clocks, etc. And for pets and wildlife, there are bird tables, cat food, pet beds, bird feeders, dog food, small animal food, nest boxes and more. And they also have a section of Christmas decoration. Services of Notcutts. Notcutts has a delivery service as well as a customer service department. If you sign up for their email newsletter, you can make use of their in-store offers, tips and advice. Complaints, compliments and tips for Notcutts. Please tell us everything about your own experience with Notcutts. How satisfied are you with their garden tools, furniture, home products, gardening products, trees, plants and other products? Did the barbecues meet your expectation? And what do you think of their services? Write a review and let us know. Will your garden improve with garden tools from Notcutts? Read customer reviews about their garden furniture, chainsaws, benches, playhouses and more. Reviews Notcutts. What does your garden look like? Does it look like one from a picture frame, or can it use some work? If your garden is aching more to the latter, you might get to work. But first, you need some supplies. So where can you get them? One company that offers garden tools, garden furniture and other garden essentials is Notcutts. But what will the quality of their garden structures be? How handy will the barbecues be? How long will it take their customer service if they have to deliver your patio heater? And how will their customer service department respond if you ask for some assistance? These questions can easily be answered by customers that have already shopped at Notcutts. Read their experiences to get a better idea of what shopping at Notcutts really entails. Their comments, ratings, experiences, remarks and opinions can help you to decide if Notcutts is the right garden center for your garden. Visit britonviews.co.uk and leave your honest review about Notcutts.